So Volkswagen Atlas 2018 and the fuel pump gauge is not working properly. The engine light is on, shows error, fuel tank system, service vehicle. The gauge display is erratic. Sometimes after refilling the tank, it still shows empty. So with the scanning tool, it has an error code B1059. It points to the fuel level indicator sensor. Resistance too low. The fuel level indicator and the sending unit are part of the fuel pump and cannot be serviced separately. So we will replace the fuel pump.
So the first step is to remove the seat, the second row seat. So you have to remove the screws, which is the spline bit. Here is our M10. Yeah, the M10. So now the seat has been removed, and yeah, you can see it's dirty. So we want to use the vacuum to remove the dirt. So that will help. If anything falling down to the fuel pump tank, and yeah, it will cause trouble. So now we clean this carpet. So here, yeah, you can remove like more seats, and then you can take the carpet and see the fuel pump and the fuel tank. Here, to make it simple, if it's your own car, so you can actually cut the carpet like what we did here. So if you cut it, then yeah, you don't have to remove all the other seats, and then which give you easier access to your fuel pump. Yeah, of course, that's your own choice, and it's your own car. You can see the cover for the fuel tank, the fuel pump. So yeah, you can see the fuel pump, which is the blue part, and yeah, which is yeah, the wire connections and also the hose, and to pump the fuel to the car. So what we are going to do is we are going to disconnect the wire here, and yeah, and also disconnect the hose, and then we are going to use our flat screwdriver to remove this part, and then you can take the fuel pump out.
So it's best to use our pick tool to remove the wire connectors.
And to hammer this part and to get this part out, and then you can remove the fuel pump. So here is the removed fuel pump. Here is the motor, and here's the sending unit, and the lever, yeah, which can move to measure the fuel level. So we are going to put our new fuel pump, which is exactly the same model number. Yeah, we put the new fuel pump back, and we can see that now there's no checking engine light, and there's no error code, and the fuel level gauge is working properly, so it has been fixed. Thank you for watching.